You can expect a lot from the 2019 Nissan Sentra. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 20,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, an outside temperature display, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.